Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting of peace to all of us. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greeting of virtue. On this occasion, allow me to introduce myself. I am Ari Ayu from Iksan Sdn Rapa University as a speaker at International Economic and Business Conference Universitas Muhammadiyah Unisma Makassar. Thank you for the opportunity has been given to us to present our article in the title about building the concept of Sirina Pace in the aspiration of corporate social responsibility. Uh, Other are Ari Utomo Saputra from Technology Science and Business Muhammadiyah Selayar Institute, Ningsi Sudirman from Megabuana Polopo University, and I am Ari Ayu from Iksan Sdn Rapang University. Introduction. Now, accounting is not only about recording. If accounting is like a robot that serve the interest of capital owners and does not care about the surrounding condition, accounting must be explored by providing benefit in the surrounding environment after exploiting the earth, products, and human resources. Therefore, accounting must be foster as a sense of concern for nature in it is our own way because humans are truly created with full feelings within themselves. The study aims to explore the application of the cultural value of Sirina Pace in corporate social responsibility in the field of accounting. Problem statement in the fourth, how does social responsibility motivation look from a theoretical perspective? And the second, how is social responsibility viewed from the aspect of Sirina Pace? Literature review from legitimacy theory from Dowling and Prefer, the company will continue to strive to ensure that the company operate within the norms that exist in the community or environment where the company is located. Stakeholder theory from Adam and McNicholas, the closure of financial, social, and environmental information is a dialogue between the company and its stakeholder and provide information about the company activities that change a perception and expectation. Corporate social responsibility from Kotor and Lee. The company is now commit to improving community welfare through good business practice and contributing a portion if it is resources. Methodology of paper. This research is a literature study to examine the the topic of corporate social responsibility in Indonesia, which is review from the theoretical and cultural aspect. It aims to see the application of the concept of social responsibility since from the theoretical and cultural aspect of Sirina Pace to open up the direction of social responsibility research in the future. The research article review are article published in national and international journals. Racial investigation, result of a motivation for companies to engage in social responsibility from a theoretical perspective. Development of CSR in Indonesian context can be viewed from two different perspectives. In the first, the implementation of CSR is indeed a dictionary business practice, and second, the implementation of CSR is something that mandatory. In the research by Suwarno 2009, it is clearly stated the CSR can make stakeholders feel value by the company and subsequently and sympathies with the company, allowing the company economic effort to proceed smoothly without significant confrontation from its stakeholders. Nowadays, many companies have their own awareness to implement fair use ways in carrying out CSR, such as using environmentally friendly machine, using recyclable raw materials, rehabilitating land that has freshly been environmentally damaged due to the company's past action, treating employees without discrimination, respecting human rights, showing they only buy product from supplier. Who do not employ underage workers, donating for charitable purpose and various other action to demonstrate that the company is truly social responsibility to its stakeholders. CSR not only fulfill legal requirements but also reflects the company's accountability to stakeholders, as applied in stakeholder theory. By implementing CSR, companies can enhance their positive image, which impacts customer loyalty, attracts investor, foster good relationship with creditor and supplier, and reduce conflict with the community. Environmental education. Overall, CSR create a mutually beneficial synergy where companies gain a positive reputation and long-term profits while society and environmental benefit tangibly from the company contribution. Results of social responsibility from the aspect of Sirina Pace in the culture of South Sulawesi, Bugis Makassar, Mandar, and Tanah Toraja. There is Adam to of jargon that reflect in the identity and character of the people of Sulawesi, namely Sirina Pace. In the Bugis philosophy, it is state nareko degaga sirimu indra ko siri. Nareko engkau sirimu aja umpaka siri-siri. This ethos of the Bugis Makassar people as their moral statement, Pace is direct outward from oneself, while Siri is direct inward into oneself. The Bugis community has a life philosophy that they uphold, which is Sirina Pace. Sirina Pace in the Bugis community is highly esteemed as a philosophy in all aspects of life, and this also applies to the aspect of community of the obedience to certain rules. Therefore, if someone does not instill the culture of Sirina Pace as their identity, that person may lack honor and humanity. If culture is adopt everyone, then there will be damage done to nature. Sirina Pace philosophy of the Bugis Makassar community, which embodies a sense and compassion, holds strong relevance to corporate social responsibility. In the context of CSR, the value of Sirina Pace can serve as an ethical foundation that encourages companies to act responsibly, fairly, and with care for society and the environment. The sense of same in Siri remains combined to mental integrity, while peace foster empathy and solidarity in responding to the social and environmental of their operation. By integrating the value of Sirina Pace, company can enhance the motivation to implement CSR, not merely as a legal obligation, but is also a moral commitment to achieve a balance between economic, social, and environmental interests. Conclusion, corporate social responsibility and the Sirina Pace philosophy of the Bugis Makassar community have a complementary relationship in building ethical and sustainable business practice. By integrating Sirina Pace value into CSR implementation, companies not only fulfill their illegal obligation, but also build a moral foundation to create a balance between economic, social, and environmental interests. Recommendation, the implication of this study is the need for companies in Indonesia to include local culture values such as Sirina Pace in their CSR policy so as to improve good relation with the community and strengthen their legitimacy. The study also encourages accounting educational institution to integrate local ethical values into the curriculum to form social responsibility. This research contributes by introducing a local culture perspective in CSR implementation and providing a unique ethical basic for social responsibility in accounting. Okay, that's all from my article presentation, and I say thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.